So today we have a celebrity guest here. My son, Nickolas, is here. And I do want to say, full disclosure for everybody watching, this is against his will. I made him do this. So I want to explain something. So Nickolas has become a meme of January of 2026. I don't really understand the whole algorithm of TikTok or how it really works, but basically, summer of 2023, Nickolas was on the boardwalk and he said a funny joke. It was a joke that's been around forever, but he delivered it really well. And a TikToker had posted it, and now it's become this whole thing where they've mashed it together with this city boy meme. I really don't understand any of it, but it has millions of views. So it's kind of cool, and it's really interesting to watch how this has now been posted. If you hashtag Karma Boy, Karma Restaurant, he's so embarrassed that I'm saying all of this right now, but I am like in all of it because I don't really understand it. So I wanted him to come on my show today and make me something. Can you deliver the joke?
No.
Please, please.
Okay.
What's the joke?
Have you heard of the new restaurant? It's called Karma. There's no menu. You get what you deserve. That's the joke.
I'm always gonna laugh at it. So Nickolas, could you make me something from your Karma restaurant?
Of course.
Okay. What are you gonna make me?
I'll be making an orange creamsicle.
Okay, how do you make it?
First, half a cup of ice. Then soda.
What kind of soda?
Fanta.
So orange.
Yeah, fill it.
Almost
Pretty
all
much
the way.
the whole thing. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup. Next is 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And then we have some whipped cream to put on top. And finally, an orange. Here you go, Mom. This is what you deserve.
Thank you.
For the full recipe, visit nickolas.com.
Thanks, Karma Boy.
You're welcome.